Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's create this elegant shimmer eye look effortlessly in just a few minutes. Before we begin, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more refined beauty looks. Starting with the clean base, I am gently priming my eyelid with an eyeshadow primer. You can also use a concealer for a similar smooth finish. To achieve a sharp and lifted edge, I have placed a small piece of tape at the outer corner. Now I am softly setting the eyelid with the translucent powder. For this look, I am using the Nika I Go Bold 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, a palette with beautifully curated shades. First, I am taking a soft mauve brown shimmer shade and delicately placing it across the eyelid, creating a subtle base. Then I layer a richer shimmer shade, gently pressing it onto the lid for that luminous, refined glow. With a small fluffy brush, I am diffusing the crease line to soften any harsh edges, and using the same brush, I am adding a matte transition shade, blending it effortlessly to create a smooth, seamless transition. Take your time to blend everything in the place because blending is the key of smoother transition. With the flat brush, I am picking a hint of brown just at the tip and softly defining the outer corner for a gentle smoky dip. I am carrying the same shade along the lower lash line and adding a touch of shimmer to the inner corner for a bright, awakened look. A touch of highlighter on the brow bone adds that final lift. Now I am using a black kajal pencil from Swiss Beauty with a subtle shimmer finish. I am applying it softly along the upper and lower lash lines and blending it out for a diffused, elegant definition. Now curling the lashes and applying mascara to enhance and define beautifully. You may also add false lashes for a more dramatic finish. Finishing with black kajal on the waterline and gently removing the tape, and the final look is completed. Soft shimmer eye look. If you enjoy this tutorial, do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sarika Makeup. Thanks for watching.